Welcome to your take-home whitening kit. So, included in your kit, you've got your whitening gel syringes, your models, the whitening trays themselves, and a little bit of sensitive toothpaste as well in there. Take-home whitening is a super easy and effective way to brighten those teeth or to stabilize the shade after your in-chair whitening. So let's get into a little bit about how we actually whiten the teeth at home. So when using this gel, you really only need a small amount. We usually say just half a grain of rice sized amount in each corresponding tooth in your trays. So when you get your tray, what you want to do is put that gel right in the center of the tooth. Little half a grain of rice amount, and counting back from the very central tooth, I usually like to go either 4 or 5 teeth back. Anything further than that, you really won't see it and you're just wasting your gel at that point. So popping that whitening gel in the trays, popping the tray into the mouth, and you'll see that that gel really sort of smooshes up against the tooth so that the gel is covering the front side of that tooth. If you get any excess around the gums, just wipe it off with a clean tissue or a dry finger. And that way you're not going to see any blanching or whitening of the gums. If you do experience any bleaching or burning of the gum, just gentle brushing right at the gum line is all that's needed. The color will come back into the gum quite quickly, and just be nice and gentle around that sensitive gum. So when you're taking the trays off, there will be a little bit of excess gel left over on the teeth. Just using either a dry toothbrush or just a toothbrush with some plain water, and gently brush the excess off your teeth. The other thing you can do is just have a bit of a rinse out as well. It doesn't taste the best, and just remove that excess there. With any whitening procedure, it's super common to get a little bit of sensitivity. So included in your pack, we've got some sensitive toothpaste there for you. Now you can use it either one of two ways. You can use it as a topical application. So just getting a little bit on your finger there and rubbing it into that area that's particularly sensitive. That's a really effective way of desensitizing the teeth. Just spit out the excess. No need to rinse out afterwards. You keep a little bit on your tooth there to desensitize the tooth, or you can use it as a general toothpaste, brushing gently over all the teeth. And last but not least, caring for your trays. So to remove any excess gel that's still existing in those trays, just using a clean toothbrush and water to gently clean and remove any of the remaining gel that's still stuck in that tray. And then after that, you can use a clean tissue to just wipe out any of the excess water or gel that's still hanging around. No need to use any toothpaste with this tray. The toothpaste can actually sort of scratch the tray and make it look a little bit dirty and cloudy, so just water is all that's needed. It's a nice, gentle, soft tray, so please don't use any hot water on it because it will warp the plastic quite easily, and then your whitening tray won't fit anymore. If for whatever reason that does happen, or maybe the dog gets to the whitening tray before you've gotten a chance to use it, we give you your models back in your whitening kit, so we can always make you some more if something does go awry. And that's your whitening kit. So if you've got any worries or troubles, give us a call, or if you need any top-up gel, we've always got some on hand, ready to go.